In this video, I'll show you how to add mutual funds on your list on Yahoo Finance. So to get started, go ahead and open Yahoo Finance. Search for that specific ticker or symbol that you want to add to your list. After you actually find that, go ahead and click on this follow button at the top of your screen to add this into your watch list. So make sure that you add it on both your watch list and your preferred list so you can actually find the key events and the gain and lose that the specific stock gone through in the past few years and months. So to be able to actually add mutual funds to your list, you need to add this into your watch list first. Make sure to actually check the checkbox beside this to add the symbol into your list. Now head over into your portfolio. Now on your portfolio, head over into that list where you actually added that specific stocks to. So in here, go ahead and click on the add button under the shares column, and in here you can simply add the type, date, cost, and shares and commission that you have for this specific stock, and click on the add transaction button to be able to add this into your list. And that is how you can simply add mutual funds into your list on Yahoo Finance. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.